Okay, so we're here on the south side of Blackpool. I don't see many videos for this end, so we're going to have a look up at the Pleasure Beach, and then we've got the beach, and the South Pier is just behind me, so let's go and have a little walk. So there's the Wetherspoons, first of all. You probably know it, Velvet Coaster, and then there's the tower down there, and there's the South Pier. So let's walk up to the Pleasure Beach and see what they've got, and then I'll show you the beach as we walk around. There's actually somebody up there on the ride, so that may go up again as we're walking. Restaurant and bar there, that's the casino. If this sounds a bit tinny, please turn on your captions. I'll try not to talk too much. Toilets. It is huge, is the Pleasure Beach. I think you used to be able to go inside at one point without a ticket. I don't think you can go in there anymore. So, glorious day today. High of about 22 degrees. 21st of May 2025. I've not seen that before. Sand Castle Water Park. What I want to try to get for you is the roller coaster. It's actually going across right now. Wow. You would not get me on that. So I'll try and stand underneath or from the other side. There's a tram coming too. Adventure Golf. There's a lot of changes since I've been here. That looks to be another casino there. That's your Pleasure Beach entrance, I think. That's the tram now going to the North Station. So if you buy a tram pass, you actually get the bus included for the week, which I think is really good value, and it works out about £3 per day, which is a single ticket is just £3, so definitely worth getting a pass on the app. Let's keep walking up. This looks to be a car park. Yeah, so what I'm trying to get is a roller coaster going up, so you can see people. I don't actually know how much it is now for the Pleasure Beach. My goodness. Oh, there's somebody just going up on that ride. I don't know if they allow people to film in there, but we'll have a little wander. See how much it is. Last time I was in here, it must have been at least 20 years ago. Now this is all the illuminations up here, so they light up at the end of September. Sometimes they keep them up and sometimes they obviously do change each year. But it's huge. Just wondering if I can cross over it. No. Yeah, I just want to see how much it is, if they've got a price list outside. The lights are taking ages. We'll get across in a second. Then we'll walk down and round. It's actually, it's going up actually. Right, I can cross over now. I just want to catch it whilst it's at the top. So this is the Pleasure Beach. This is the famous Pleasure Beach. That used to be the entrance, but it's not the entrance anymore by the looks of it. Late night riding. Yeah, I don't see a price list. You'll have to go on the website. And then they've got like, that's like an amusements. Bus stop there. Yeah, that's just the amusements in there. I think there's a Pizza Hut up here. Right, I want to try and catch it if they're at the top. This is the spot, but I doubt they're gonna go across. See if it comes over. Yep. Keep walking out. Oh, this looks like another entrance here. I bet they get lots of people filming for down here. But yeah, you would definitely not get me up there. Not a chance. The thing with this roller coaster is they're always changing the name. When I was growing up, it was called the Pepsi Max, and then it's called the Big Dipper, and then there's all these other names. So it's the same ride. It's just they call it by different things because of the sponsorship, probably. Pizza Hut, Ripley's. That's £15. I've heard of this place, but I'm never actually sure what it is. And there's a huge dinosaur with a clock on the top overlooking. I thought that was a real person then. Huge dinosaur, alligator. Teddy Trading Company. So yeah, if you don't come to the pleasure beach, I guess you wouldn't really come down this side. But there are a few of the little shops, and it's nice to walk down here as well. What's this place? Gift shops, souvenirs, drinks. I think the last time I was down here actually was for the illuminations. Another bus stop there. Mr. Candy. You get all your beach stuff and get all your bucket and spades and things like that. So again, this looks to be an old entrance as well here. So at one time they would have had everyone coming in at different entrances. And Mr. Chippy. I don't think I've seen that one before. Oh, there we go. See if we can get him at the top. Looking for it. Don't think we're going to get anything. That is so high up. I would not like to get stuck at the top of that either. Blimey. Oh, 1 minute. It's coming round. There we go. That turned upside down. That would make me sick. That's crazy. Let's keep walking down. I don't know if there's much down here, but I might be better crossing over. It's huge. I think a lot more people now go to these amusement parks which are not by the seaside. And also, you may be watching this when they've already built the Universal, sorry for the noise, but the Universal theme park, which is being built near London, really Blackpool should have got it. And it's really sad because a lot more people won't come here anymore, and it needed that investment, I guess. Look how tall that is. That is crazy.